Welcome to this Goodness of God piano tutorial with Chords. If you've been wanting to learn how to play Goodness of God on piano with that beautiful worship sound you hear from Bethel, Hillsong, Jesus Culture, or Kari Jobe, you're in the right place. In this Goodness of God piano tutorial with Chords, I'll show you how to play the version made popular by Bethel, using simple chords and a worship-focused playing style that's perfect for any live service or devotional time. We're using Live Stage 1, a sound setup built specifically for worship keyboardists. Let's get started and build the sound you've been looking for. To get the chord of G, let's start the G. And count 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. G. Again. Count 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. G. How about the C? Start with C as the 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. C. How about the D? You count 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. That's the D. How about the E? Again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. That's the E. But this is a major chord. So what we need right now is a minor. So we need to find the third note and make it one step lower. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Then the third will be lower, C minor. So you already have G, C, D, E minor. But when we start the G in here, if you go to the C, it's very far. So we need to invert it. Inversion means to put it near, because this one is near the G, C. So this is also, this is C and E. This is C also and E. So you put the C in here. Instead of here, you go with this one, C. And how about the D? The D is here. I wanted to put it near, so this is D also. And the E minor, I wanted to shift it to here, the E, because this is the same as the E, okay? On the left hand, we use a root note or an octave. G and G. Then C, G, E. Or you can use single G, C, D, E minor. So combine it, G. Or you can use G and C. E minor. Okay, so simple, right? Now let's try it with vocals. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Now I will combine my piano playing with the Bethel band using Live Stage 1.
I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. And all my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You will lead me through the fire, and in darkest night, you were close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Yeah.
Let's increase the Jasper's cutoff.
All my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah.
Now let's increase the drive cutoff. Let's lower the drive and Jasper's cutoff.
And all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. I'm gonna
Again,
sing,
increase the Jasper's cutoff to build up. Want to explore this sound for your church or personal worship? Just click the link in the description to learn more. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what worship song you want us to teach next.